The electric meter should be at least 18 inches above grade. This ensures the meter reader can easily read the meter without bending or kneeling. It also helps prevent damage from lawnmowers or other equipment. Non-metallic sheath cable or NM cable should not be run across the front of a furnace, even behind a cover. The heat from the furnace can damage the cable and potentially cause a fire. When running wires through I-joists, avoid jamming too many wires through the knockout openings. This can damage the wires and also pose a fire hazard. The correct method for running wires through I-joists is to drill a hole in the web of the joist and run the wires through that hole. Finally, NM cables should not be routed through small gaps between the ends of I-joists and the rim joist. This practice can also damage the cables and lead to a fire. Again, the proper way to run NM cables through I-joist is by drilling a hole in the web and running the cables through that hole.